Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss some general questions which are asked in various exams. First question is a Kelvin thermometer and a Fahrenheit thermometer both give the same reading for a certain sample. What would be the corresponding reading in a Celsius thermometer? So the relationship between the Celsius and Fahrenheit is degree Celsius is equals to Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9, and the Fahrenheit and Kelvin has the relationship that Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 multiplied Kelvin minus 273.15 plus 32. The answer we will get 574 degrees Celsius. If the potential difference applied to an X-ray tube is doubled while keeping the separation between the filament and the target as same, what will happen to the cutoff wavelength? So it will be halved. Why it is difficult to measure the coefficient of expansion of a liquid than solid? Because their containers also expand when heated. Radon is an inert gas. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Which of the following element is used in pencil lead, that is carbon or graphite? Molecules of which of the following has cage-like structure among diamond, graphite and fullerenes? The fullerene have the cage-like structure or saucer-like structure. The temporary hardness in water is due to which of the following calcium and magnesium? So the answer is hydrogen carbonates. Stung by hairs of nettle leaves causes burning pain. This is due to the injection of methanoic acid. Which of the following element is least reactive with water? Among lithium, sodium, potassium, cesium, the cesium is the least reactive with water. The Rutherford alpha scattering experiment was responsible for the discovery of nucleus. Glass is a liquid, colloid, non-crystalline amorphous solid or a crystalline solid. So it is a non-crystalline amorphous solid. The manganese minerals and their leading states which are responsible for their production. Then manganese is the mineral which is mostly found in Odisha. Gypsum is found in Rajasthan, limestone in Karnataka and magnesite in Uttarakhand. List of mineral and the list secondary state. Gypsum is found in Rajasthan, graphite in Arunachal Pradesh, fluorspar in Gujarat, nickel in Odisha. The amount of heat required to change a liquid to gaseous state without any change in temperature is known as latent heat of vaporization. A homogeneous mixture contains two liquids. How they are separated? They are separated by filtration, evaporation, distillation or condensation. The answer will be distillation. Which among the following elements forms highest number of compounds? Oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, carbon. So carbon will form the highest number of compounds. Which of the following elements corrodes rapidly? Aluminium, iron, zinc, silver. Iron corrodes rapidly. A 20 gram of common salt is dissolved in 180 gram of water. What is the mass percentage of the salt in the solution? So the mass percentage is calculated as mass of solute upon total mass of solution multiplied 100. So the answer would be 10%.